Welcome to Learn with Lisa. I'm Lisa Coutier, and since this forced break that I've had a lot of time on my hands, and something I've always enjoyed doing is home renovation projects. I would say it's more cosmetic. I'm not an expert in renovations by any means, but I've wanted to do something like this for a long time where I do a tutorial and show people my methods and what I've learned and what I do, and hopefully it inspires some people at home to do the same thing. And feel free if you have any questions. This is open to anybody who wants to ask a question, go through any details on how I did something, or if you have any suggestions for any other upcoming projects you want to see me do. So for this first project I'd like to show you is my board and batten wall in my living room. So for this wall, I knew that I wanted to have an accent wall, but I didn't want to just have it plain painted. I wanted something for it to stand out. So all that my husband and I did is we just went and got these pieces from Home Depot. I believe they're just over 1.5, but I think they're considered 1.5 pieces if you wanted to go and look at those. Or you could also do it in the size bigger, which I think is 2 inches. It's a little bit thicker, but it really just depends on the look that you want. This is the look that I wanted. I wanted my squares to be a little bit more rectangular. So I kind of measured them so we fit 3 vertically, and then we just went all the way across, and we even have some under the window, and it just goes right to the fridge. Okay, the tools you're going to need for this project are a measuring tape, you're going to need a miter saw, you're going to need No More Nails glue, you're going to need an air nailer if you have one. It's not mandatory, but it helps. And you're going to need paintable caulking, and last but not least, your paint. The reason that I suggest the No More Nails glue is because when you're doing your vertical slats, your pattern's not necessarily going to hit a stud each time, because studs are typically about 16 inches apart. So obviously my pattern is more than 16 inches. So what I did is I glued every single piece. I put a little bit of glue on the back, and then I air nailed them so that it would temporarily hold, and then the glue would bond the piece to the wall. So I would just hold it for about 30 seconds, and then you're good to go. I mentioned earlier that you can use an air nailer, but you don't have to have an air nailer. If you have finishing nails and a hammer, you can do the exact same thing. It's just obviously the air nailer is going to save you some time. I would have loved to show you the before and after of this project, but unfortunately I didn't start these videos early on enough, which I regret, but at least I have some before pictures that I can show you after this video, and you can see the full before and after. And please, if you have any questions whatsoever, leave a comment, send me a personal message, whatever you'd like. I would love to hear your comments. So thank you for watching, and I just want to sign off by saying thank you so much to all those people out there that are still working, people at the grocery stores, people stocking shelves, the cashiers, people at Shoppers Drug Mart, the banks, gas station. Thank you so much for going out there and working every day for us.